Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a texting story video. With that being said, let's get this started. The first thing you want to do is go into the Play Store or whatever app store you use for your phone. Then you want to download Texting Story right here. Open it. And now, there's a custom name at the top for Alice. I'm just going to write hey. And then you can switch to the other character by tapping the name. And you can keep doing that and create a video. And if you want to change the names, you want to hit the settings thing, the settings button at the bottom corner. And then you type in the name. And you can also add a picture. And you can change the color, but you need to buy it. I've seen a lot of people make videos, YouTube videos about it. So, just wanted to show you guys if you didn't know how to do it. So, anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.